Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notification, extend the list, and somewhere in here you should find the power saving button, or however it's named. And honestly, it actually looks like it's not here, unless I'm just not seeing it. I'm gonna assume that it's not here, so I'm gonna navigate into the settings. From here, battery, and you have the system mode right here. It's set to dynamic, so it apparently optimizes itself on the go, but you have also, as you can see, a bunch of other ones. Now, I did say that I'm gonna show you power saving mode, but I'll also touch upon a couple additional modes that you have right here. So for instance, you have high performance mode, which will boost the performance of the device by sacrificing battery. If you are running some really demanding things on the phone, maybe some games or maybe some rendering or whatever, you might want to enable this. It hopefully will give you just a little bit of a boost, but like I said, it will sacrifice some battery instead. Now we have also the normal one, which is set by default, and then durable and ultra durable. Now durable will be most likely the default power saving mode, but ultra durable, if I'm correct, will be the, let's see. Okay, so ultra durable still keeps the phone in normal state, where you can still like have home screen wallpapers and stuff like that. And here's the normal one. Now you probably also realize that between couple of these toggles you have the gear icon, so you can tap on it, and right here we have a bunch of things that you can change. Or bunch, actually here is not so many. We have the screen refresh rate, so if you don't want to run your phone at 120, this will change it to 60, but if you do want to have it at 120, if you just like the high refresh rate, which does consume more battery life, you might want to turn it off. And this way the phone will, even at power saving mode, run at 120 Hz. We also have some force screen sleep timer to 30 seconds. So if you normally have like several minutes, this will then always change it to 30 seconds as long as this mode is enabled. I'm going to quickly go also into the ultra durable, where you can see we have actually more toggles. So again, we have the ones that we had previously, but we also have additional ones like force turn off hyperfocus, whatever that is. I actually have no idea. Now there is most likely something like 5G enabling or disabling. It's grayed out, so I'm not sure if it's turning it on or off. But yeah, you can just go through this, find things that maybe you don't want and apparently will consume battery, keep them on. Now the things that you do rely on, turn off the toggles for it. And yeah, so once you are done with the power saving mode or whatever, you will need to go back into the settings, it looks like. That's a little bit unfortunate. Gonna also just make sure one last time, but yeah, I don't see any toggle right here. Maybe it's turned off. Let's see. Yeah, I don't actually see anything. So yeah, it looks like every time you want to enable or disable your power saving mode, you will just need to navigate into the settings. Unfortunate, but that is the only way it looks like. Now anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.